Okay, so now we can add the CSS for this one. First we have to apply the border. Okay, first we have to apply the border for this tooltip. So border, so one pix solid, so then sorry, CCC. Okay, so then padding 10 pixel. So I am applying like a button. So then after that, so if you don't want to see like button like that, so then we can apply the only border button. Okay, so the next one is tooltip text. We are having the tooltip text, right? So first, so we have to show this tooltip like, where is this one? Yes, so we have to show, so this one as a some highlighted thing. Okay, so then we can apply the CSS for that one. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, now save. Okay, so then this one position or relative. Okay, so then our width is equal to fifth fit content. Okay, now this is showing fine. Okay, so the next one, so for this one I can apply some padding 10 pixel. Okay, so then background color CCC, so then text, sorry, color white. Okay, so I can apply the 333. Okay, so then this way I can add this one. So then position absolute, position absolute. Okay, so this way I can apply this one. So where we want to show this tooltip, we want to show as a top, okay, or we want to show as a bottom. So top 10 pixel. Okay, so it is showing like that 40 pixel. So then you can move the center. Okay, so then either left 0 pixel. Okay, so then you can move it to center like this. Okay, you can move to center like this. Now by default we have to disable that one. Okay, visibility hidden. Okay, visibility hidden. Now you can see. So this is my tooltip. So text design, so whatever hidden content shows that hidden content design. So then when I hover on that one, I have to show that one. When I hover on that one, I have to show. So where, so then tooltip hover. Okay, hover. So then, so what you want to show, this tooltip text you want to show. So then visibility visible. Okay, so then now you can see by default it is hiding. Happen position or relative. So the next one, width fit content. Okay, fit content is for, so how much content we are having, so we can apply only for that one. Okay, now you can see, so the tooltip text is hiding. So when I hover on that one, so we can able to show, right? So we can able to show that one, right? So if you want to show this tooltip as a top, is a top, then we can change this positions. We can change this position, so minus 40. So then now you can see that. Okay, so if you want to show the left, if you want to show the right side, right, so 0 where it is showing, So then write -20. See, so we have to increase more. Okay, so then we can decrease this tab. So then this one is showing right side. So this way we can apply the CSS. Okay, so complete it. Okay, so this way we can apply. Clear? So this type of things are called the tooltips. Okay, so the next one is Z index. Z index. So why we are using the Z index properties? For suppose, so I have four divs. So I'm opening new file. So 59.html. We don't require all these things. Closing all this, removing Z index, Z hyphen index. So Z hyphen index. Okay. So I have four divs. So div class equal to div1. Okay. So div1. So then close div. So this is my first div. First div. So then second div, third div, fourth div. Okay. Second and third and fourth. Okay. Second, third, fourth. Okay. So my divs. So div width equal to width colon 100 pixel. So then height equal to 100 pixels. Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay. So width and height is 100 pixel. So now we can see this one. So 59.html. Okay. So for this, so then we can apply the border for this border 1 pixel solid. So then so CCC are 333. Okay. So then margin bottom 10 pixel for giving the space for all this. So then display flex justify content. Okay. Center and align item center like this. Okay. Okay. So then I am applying the each div one color. Okay. So div one equal to background yellow. So then the div two background orange. So the next one div3 background blue. So then div4 div4. Okay. So background green. Okay. So these are my divs. What happened? We didn't give the margin for this one. Margin bottom 10 pixel. Okay. Now, so first suppose these divs are overridden one by one. Okay. So that means, so I am applying the so position absolute. So which div is applied here? So fourth div only we are able to see. When we apply the position absolute for this one, so we are able to see only fourth div. Okay, we are able to see only fourth div because of, so based on order it is displaying which one is the last div. So that one is displaying on the top. So for suppose if you want to see only second div or third div or first div, so to show the previous element, so while overlapping the HTML element, so if you want to show the previous element, so then we have to apply the z-index concept. Okay, so we have to apply the z-index concept. So which div you want to show? For suppose you want to show the first div, so z-index you can apply 1. Okay, so 1. Now you can see. So now first division. So if you want to show the, second div, if you want to show the second div, so then you can apply to this one. So z index is 2. Okay, z index is 2. Okay, so this way for this purpose we can apply the z index. We can apply the z index. So an element with the latest stack order is always show in the front of the element. If you want to show the previous stack order, so that means previous HTML element on the top, then we can apply the z index. Okay, if two position elements are overlapped without z-index specified, the element position last in the HTML code will be shown in the top. If you want to show the previous element, we can apply the z-index. Okay, so for that purpose we can apply the z-index. Okay, so the next concept is so CSS attribute. CSS attributes. Okay, so the CSS attribute selector help us to apply the CSS on element having a particular attribute or attribute values specified. The attribute, okay, so we can apply any attribute. So we can apply the title attribute, we can apply the, so we are already seen class and ID attribute. So we can apply the, so for CSS HTML form, so we can apply the, so type text we can apply the one CSS, type email we can apply one CSS, type password we can apply the different CSS. So using any attribute we can apply the, we can change the CSS. So then we can see how many ways we can apply the CSS using attribute. So first one, so the attribute selector selects the element which is specified attribute. Specified attribute. Okay, now see. .html. Okay, so now, so these are the four divs I have. These are the four divs I have. Okay, so then here I have, so title equal to anything, title equal to some sample text. Okay, so our first div. Okay, so then this title equal to second div. So then this one is div. This one is fourth div. So what is the title? Yes. So when we hover on that element, so that tooltip we can able to see, right? What happened? Can remove this. Okay. Now see, when we hover on this one, so first div is showing. So border 1 pixel solid, so then 333, so then margin bottom 10 pixel solid. Border. Okay. So now you can see when we hover on that one, so that title text we can show. Okay, right? So this way we can show. So then, so whatever title attribute is having, for suppose whatever title, if you want to write the so attribute CSS, we can write like this. Okay, in this square brackets, so we can write the title. So then, so we can apply the CSS. So background color red. So whatever is having the title attributes, then all the background color is red. So then if you don't have title attribute for this one, then we cannot see. Okay, so this is the way we can apply the attribute title CSS. So we are having the different attribute type. So then attribute value, for suppose if the attribute, so based on value also we can provide the CSS. For suppose, so this one is having the div and this one is having the title attribute div, so this one is not having div. So now you can say, so title equal to within the quotation marks. If you want to compare with value, so we have to give the quotation marks. So then, so when the title is having div, so then we can apply the green color. So background color gray. Okay, now see. Okay, so first div and third div is having the background title is div. So remaining fourth div having the title attribute. So but so the title attribute is not having the value. So this is the value of this one. Okay, clear? So this way we can apply. So the next one, so attribute negotiation is not equal to value selector. Negotiation operator is used to select an element whose attribute values list have space separated values. Space separated values. For suppose, so div and text. Okay. So then this one div. So this one also having title equal to so text. Okay, so this one is not having. So now I am writing, I am commenting this one, maybe we can confuse. Okay, so this one space separated values. If you are having any space separated values, negotiation div. Okay, can apply the different color, yellow color we can apply. See, so this one is having the space separated. So if you won't have the space, so now you can see. Okay, so if it is having the same value are space separated values, space separated value. So but so if this text is like this, if this text is this title is like this, so then so we cannot see that one. So we can able to see only that one. Okay, so that is the negotiation. The operator is used to select an element whose attribute values list of space separated values matches the given value. Okay, so matches the given value. So the next one is, so this operator, I don't know this operator, so maybe it is a caret symbol or something. So this operator is used to select, so this operator is used to select any element whose attribute value starts with the given value. So must starts with the given value. Okay, must starts with the given value. For suppose previous one, so previous one where it is, so I have a text here. Okay, so div here. So now you can see, okay, so it is still applied because of it is having space separated values, right? So it is having space separated values. It is a irrespective of position, if it is a first or if it is a last, if it is a first or last. Now you can see. Okay, so the next one is this one is this caret symbol. Caret symbol operator is used to select any element whose attribute value starts with the given value, must starts with the given value. So that means, so for suppose, so I'm commenting this one. So when I use the caret symbol for this one, we must start with the div, div letters, div value. Where is the caret symbol? Is this? Yes, 6. Okay, now we can change this color to tomato. We can apply the tomato color. Okay, so must starts with div only. So that means, so in this we have only third div. Okay, so no other elements are there. Now you can see only third div will apply the tomato color. Remaining all other having the title attribute. So then that's why it is applying. So this red color. Okay, so the next one is, so then, so attribute equal to pipe symbol equal to value. So this pipe symbol equal to operator is used to select any element whose attribute value starts with the given value and it has to be whole word or hyphen separated list. Whole word or hyphen separated list. Okay, so that values begins with the given value. So that means, so for suppose here we are having the, here we are having the div test, we can apply the parameter. So then we can comment this one also. So the next one is pipe separated, pipe value. Okay, so pipe symbol means, so this one. Okay, if you can give the pipe symbol for this one, now green color. So that means, so we have to start with either that letter or we have to start with either div letter or hyphen separated value. Okay, either div hyphen text or div, div already there, right? So then we have a div here. So now you can see, so as per pipe symbol tag, so it will apply for first div and third div. Okay, and third div. So why third div is not coming? It is not having the hyphen separated. It is having the another value and also it compared whole value. So if you can give the only div, so then it will apply. Okay, so we are having the another value, right? We are having the another value. Okay, so then, so that's why it is not applying. So if it is having the only that value, so then it will apply. Okay, either that value, either this value are separated with hyphen. If any value is having separated with like this, okay, so then it will apply, then it will apply. So why this one is not applying? Fourth div is having, but it is not applying. Why? Because of it is not start with the div letter, div words. Okay, so that's why. Okay, so that is the pipe symbol usage. Next one is the star symbol. Okay, next one is the star operator. So it is used to select an element whose attribute values contains a specified value. It selects all the elements with a class attribute value equal to the given value. It does not have any, it does not have to be a whole value. So that means, so if you can, this word, for suppose, if you can place star symbol for this, star symbol, star symbol. Okay, so it is a irrespective of position. So if this value is having or not, so only that one we will check. Okay, so this one you can change the color to this color. Okay, now you can see. Okay, so all the things is applied because of, so the star symbol, what it is saying. So this operator is used to select an element whose attribute value contains, a specified value. Okay, irrespective of position, irrespective of, so words. Okay, so must having this value. So this div text is having div value here. So here also having div, here also having div. So for this one also having div. Okay. So wherever it is required, so if div is having, so then it will apply. Okay. So then not like this. So if you can have text hyphen div hyphen text, so it will not compare this one mostly. I didn't test that one. Okay. So that one also having. Okay, if you are having double I, so then it won't match. Okay, clear? So this is the one. So final one, final attribute. So then dollar, final attribute is dollar. Okay, so the dollar operator selects the element whose attribute value ends with the given value. So previously we discussed starts with. Okay, so for pipe symbol and so this caret symbol, so starts with, so but dollar symbol if they ends with that value, if they ends with, so then we can comment this one. Okay, so then it is that one, dollar symbol, right? Okay, blue color. So then ends with div. So only two divs is having. So this one, second and fourth one. Okay, so that's why it is applied. So these are the attribute CSS. Attribute CSS. What is first one? So plain attribute, either title or whatever it may be. So the next one is the negotiation operator. Okay. So the next one is the caret. So the next one is the pipe symbol, then star symbol. So then dollar symbol. So this is the attribute CSS. So remaining thing we can discuss tomorrow. So we are having only two concepts, media query and flexbox. So tomorrow we can discuss media queries and we can start flexbox tomorrow. Okay, then fine. Thank you. So we'll connect tomorrow. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Any doubts? So then we'll connect tomorrow. Thank you.